Hi, good morning children. How are you all? So today we will start with our grammar, okay? 4th standard, take out your grammar and composition note textbook, okay? You have to take your pencil along with it. So first lesson is parts of speech, but it is difficult for you. In starting we will take simple, okay? So the second lesson we will start with. The second lesson is that sentences. Sentences, okay? What do you mean by sentence? Look into your textbook now. A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. Any sentence is not called a sentence, okay? A sentence, group of words which make sense, means it should make sense. It is called sentence, okay? Now, a sentence must have a subject and verb. So, any sentence must have a subject and a verb. For example, I can tell you that Rohan is playing cricket. Rohan is a subject, okay, and verb is, what is the action word? Cricket, playing cricket, okay. So what is sentence? A group of word which makes sense. It is called sentence. Tell me children, what is sentence? A group of words which make sense is called sentence. Now there are 4 types of sentences. Can you see on the board? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. There are 4 types of sentences. Tell me which are they? First one is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Okay children? 4 types of sentences. Now look into your textbook. Assertive sentences. Okay? What do you mean by assertive sentence? Assertive sentence, a sentence that makes a statement is called an assertive sentence. It ends with a full stop. Any statement, means any statement it is made. For example, Geeta is a good girl is a statement. So it is a assertive sentence. Any simple statement is called assertive sentence and it ends with full stop. Tell me what is assertive sentence? Any statement, okay, any statement made is called assertive sentence and it ends with full stop. All of you understood? Yeah. Now come to the second type of sentence, interrogative sentence. Which? Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark. A sentence which asks question, how are you, is also a interrogative sentence. Okay children? So any sentence which asks question is called interrogative sentence and it ends with question mark. You know how is question mark? See here. Question mark. Okay children, can you see? Question mark. Interrogative sentence ends with question mark. Okay children? Now next is imperative sentence. A sentence that is an order or a request is an imperative sentence. A sentence which is order or request, we can order or request, is called imperative sentence. Okay children? It ends with also full stop. It ends with full stop. Okay children, can you all see here? Yeah. The example is sit down. Sit down is a order, okay? Please open the window. Please open the window is a request. Order or request is called imperative sentence. Okay children? Now the last is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a sudden, strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. It ends with an exclamation mark. How is exclamation mark? Can you show me? See here. Look everyone. This is exclamation mark. Okay children? A sentence which shows sudden feeling. Okay? Sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence and it ends with exclamation mark. What a pretty dress. Okay? This is what a pretty dress. Sudden feeling. It is called exclamatory sentence. So we will revise once more. The sentence is a group of words which make sense. Okay? There are how many types of sentences? Yeah, very good. There are 4 types of sentences. Now tell me which are they? assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and last is exclamatory sentence. Very good. Okay. Now turn the page. Page number 6. Turn your page. Page number 6. See our first question. Match the columns. Okay. First one is go home. Second, my sister is named Usha. Third, why are you late? Fourth, how strong you are. Fifth, please hold this for me. Sixth, we live in Mumbai. And another column you can see, you have to match the pair, okay? What the sentence means. First one is question. Second, order. Third, statement. Request. Next is statement. Then again, exclamation. See, first one is go home. What is it? Order, isn't it? Go home is a order. Second, my sister is named Usha. It is a statement. Can you all see? Yeah. Why are you late? Why are you late is a question. Isn't it, children? Yeah. How strong you are. Here is an exclamation mark. Can you all observe? Exclamation mark. So it is an exclamation, exclamatory sentence. Okay. Please hold this for me. Please. Request. We live in Mumbai. It is a statement. It is a simple statement, isn't it? We live in Mumbai. Now come to the next. Rearrange and punctuate the groups of words to form sentences. Identify different kinds of sentence. Okay, children? You understood the question? You have to rearrange the words and punctuate and also identify which type of sentence it is. See first one, sad, you, why are so. Rearrange it. Why are you so sad? Question mark. Okay, children? It is a question. It is a question asked. So the kind of sentence is, tell me the kind of sentence is interrogative. Isn't it, children? Why are you so sad? Write everyone. Why are you so sad? Question mark. Kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. Okay. Second, quiet keep. Rearrange it. Keep quiet. Okay. It is an order. And which type of sentence? Tell me, children. Imperative sentence. Order or request is called an imperative sentence. So in this sentence it is a order. Okay. So it is an imperative sentence. Clever, how are you? How clever are you? It is an exclamation. Add exclamation over there. How clever are you? Exclamatory sentence. Okay, children? Write down exclamatory sentence. Fourth one is works bank. Mother in my My mother works in a bank. Right? My mother works in a bank. It is a simple sentence. So it is a assertive sentence. Okay? It is a simple sentence. So it is an assertive sentence. Now see, sixth one. 2. I like books. Read much, very. Now how we will rearrange the words? I like to read books very much. This is also a simple sentence. So it is an assertive sentence. Okay, children? 7, 8, 9, 10 is your homework. You have to rearrange the words and make a sentence and identify. Okay, children? Which type of sentence it is. Okay? Thank you. 7, 8, 9, 10 is your homework.